In this video, we will try to copy formulas with fill handle. Let's proceed to our file. And this is the file in the last video. In Excel, it is possible that formulas can be copied to the adjacent cell with fill handle. This is the fill handle. This saves a lot of time and effort if we need to perform the same calculation multiple times in a worksheet. The fill handle is the small square at the bottom corner of the selected cell. This is the fill handle. As you can see, nagbabago yung appearance nung cross, nung plus sign. To do that, to copy using fill handle, select the cell we want na containing yung formula, and then click and drag down over the cells we want to copy, we want to fill. And after that, release the mouse, the formula will be copied over the cells, over the selected cells. As you can see, may result na siya kasi mayroong laman yung mga cells na reference. That's it.